In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view only unread messages in your inbox. If your message list feels crowded and you want to focus only on emails you haven't opened yet, using the unread filter is one of the quickest ways to clean things up and work more efficiently. This is especially helpful when you're catching up after a busy day or trying to make sure you don't miss anything important. To start, go to the top of your message list and click Filter. This opens the available sorting and filtering options for your inbox. From there, choose Unread. As soon as you select it, your inbox will update to show only the messages that haven't been read yet. This gives you a much more focused view and makes it easier to work through new emails without distractions from older messages. There's also another easy way to do the same thing using the search box. Click into the search field, type the unread, and then press enter. This applies a search-based filter that shows only unread messages. For many people, this is a faster option, especially if you're already used to using search commands to find specific emails. It can also be useful when you want a quick shortcut without opening the filter menu. If you're using the web version, the process is very similar. Look for the same filter icon, click it, and then choose unread. Just like before, the message list will refresh and display only the emails that still need your attention. The layout may look slightly different depending on your screen or browser, but the filtering option works in the same basic way. When you're viewing unread messages only, it becomes much easier to prioritize what needs a response first. If you're working through a large inbox, this can save time and help you stay organized. Once you've finished reviewing those emails, you can return to your full inbox view by clearing the filter or search, depending on which method you used. That's all there is to it. Whether you use the filter option or the search command, both methods are simple, fast, and effective for showing only unread messages. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.